what are we gonna do now?
We're about to make our own chocolate bar.
Yeah, make our own chocolate bar.
Excited.
What are we doing?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
What are we doing?
Chocolate bars. Make your own candy bar. Candy. Bar. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure we're next. I'm so excited. He's not done this before. I kind of forgot, so I'm pretty excited. I'm excited. Ooh. I'm excited.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited. We're almost there. I'm excited. We just got our tickets.
Remember, you gotta scan these.
I'm actually really excited. This takes like 20 minutes, this whole thing. Or maybe 25. I also
It's gonna be exciting, right? We've done this before.
yeah, but I like kind of forgot what you had to do.
Oh. Scan your ticket. Right here, that little.
Today's bar possibility.
Next station. Next, oh, we get to make our candy bars. What are you gonna choose?
I want milk.
Okay.
Milk is my favorite.
What are you gonna put on it?
Free.
What else?
One more.
Pretzels?
I want Christmas rice to make like a crunch. I want like a little crunch.
Okay, next. There's yours. I'm gonna do mine.
Wait, what about the top?
You want sprinkles?
Yeah. More.
They won't do more. Oh, they took it away.
Yes.
And hit next.
Nope.
Yeah. That's it? Okay, mine.
We're gonna see what Daddy creates. What do you want? White chocolate. Milk is my favorite. You're gonna put like a lot of crunch. That's a lot of crunch, Dad. So you still have milk chocolate on that.
I know. Yes, I want sprinkles, of course. Show me on camera. Look what I look like.
So this is what he got.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, that's good.
Go, go, go. Look at ours is up there.
Yeah.
This one's yours right here. And that one's gonna be mine right after it.
Oh. That's Daddy's.
Yeah, that's mine. That's kind of cool how it does that, right?
I want to keep a close eye on her.
But who playing with that?
My mama.
That's how y'all line up.
Daddy says coming out.
Is this one yours coming out? Oh,
No,
there
that
it
one's
is.
mine. Jen, should I return?
There's mine.
Mine. No, that one's mine. That's my dad.
That's yours.
I don't have no sprinkles.
The sprinkles gonna be at the end.
Here it is. Where's my Chris Bryce? Where's
that
my
yours?
Chris Bryce? That looks so yummy, 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 yummy.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
Yummy,
Lily.
yummy, 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 yummy.
You can get pretzels,
Yummy,
didn't
yummy,
you?
yummy, 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 yum, yum. That's not bad. Finish it.
נראה לי 3,000.
Chicken.
תמיד קפה, מה את רוצה?
No pretzels for you.
It's gonna go into the chocolate shop. Then it goes into the chocolate shops. I already got some pretzels.
I got pretzels.
That looks like
Okay, you didn't get none.
I wanted the crisp rice so I can get some crunch.
Go up to it.
Again,
That ain't yours. You ain't gonna buy
somebody got the same exact one as me.
Yeah, they did.
yours is my animal shit. אתה לא רצית פעלנו פה.
They literally got the same exact one as mine. That's
Yeah, it is
that's
exactly
mine.
the
כאלה מן זה הולך
same
לשים.
as yours, right?
Yeah.
I got it. I got it.
אם תראה, תסתכל.
And I am my chocolate bar.
Oh, is that butterscotch?
Oh, I don't like butterscotch. No.
These are great.
Dad, I'm keeping an eye. It's gonna be covered in chocolate.
עכשיו זה ישים לי, רואה? מה זה? כן, זה לא, אולי קרמל. ועכשיו מה זה הולך לצפות לנו.
There's mine.
יש פה אנשים.
It's going in and not coming out. There's my dad's.
Over here, get the chocolate.
There's
There
mine.
it goes.
Gonna go in chocolate. It's coming.
Butterscotch.
No, that one's mine.
I know.
It's coming through. There, it's coming through.
ומלמעלה.
God, it looks so good.
וואו, מעיין.
Looks good, right? Talk about wasted chocolate. That's just getting dipped down in. I wonder if they recycle it.
וואי, מה כבר תצלמי את זה? יואו, איזה מגניב זה. תראו את שלי, תסתכל על שלי מעל עכשיו. זה עוס. וואו, איזה יפה. אבל זה יהפוך לך לאט לאט
I'm almost gonna get sprinkles.
That yours right there?
Yep, that's mine coming through. Come on,
We gotta
sprinkles.
go pick our wrappers now.
Come on, sprinkles.
I got it.
There we go.
Aiden.
Is that mine?
That's yours right there, yeah.
Come on.
Let's go pick up. Gotta go pick a wrapper now. This one over here.
Time to my packaging. Time to my packaging.
You want the guy with the mustache on there?
in that corner. Make it smaller. That's good.
A little bit of chocolate oozing down. Oh, there's mine! Pretty! I'm gonna put multiple ones. So.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Now I have one
I gotta do mine.
Give me a second.
Print it.
No, just I'm gonna put a Hershey.
Okay.
Okay. I just want to do.
It's gonna be a mess, Aiden. There you go. Print it.
And I'm gonna do it for you. No, I actually don't want that.
Hit done.
Done. Oh yeah. It's so cool.
Yep. Hit yes.
Yes.
I would-
Let's see what my dad does. I'm gonna hold the camera so you can. That's it? Oh. I'm gonna add a cow, a Hershey cow. Move it up a bit. You can't see the feet. There. Put Hershey's on it. Put the Hershey's logo on it. Are you gonna do some chocolate oozing down? Summer fun with the toys. Oh. 2019. Put 2019. Oh, put the Hershey's. 2019 Hershey. No wait, move. No wait.
I got it. It's mine.
And put the Hershey symbol on it.
What?
The Hershey's. Put Hershey's. Put the Hershey symbol. Do it next to the 2019. Oh, where are you? Hershey's 2019. That's it? That actually looks pretty neat.
See where they are. Come on. 8 hours is being made. We took so long.
You guys see me? Say hi. Then we can have a little chat. Maybe.
Here's right there.
Oh. I'm in station 1 right now.
We're station 1 and mine's coming up now. That's mine.
There's yours. I'll be in station 1 right in
When are you
front
going to
of
eat this? Right off the bat? No? You save it?
I'm gonna save it.
You save it?
Station 3.
I see. There's 3.
Now I'm off the status. I'm gonna follow it. Oh, here comes one more solo. Now, there's one.
I got it.
Wait. Mine's gonna go in. Oh, it's mine right there. Confetti. I'm in front. You have 2 lungs on it went in. Through that little crack. You can see mine.
That's yours.
It's like a normal.
Oh, that's cool. It pushes it right into the thing.
And it grabs another one from there.
You see that one brother?
I'm station 5.
Look, you can see everything. What's going on?
It's stuck.
It stopped.
It's stuck. There's one stuck over there. I know this.
Oh, is that why it stopped?
Yeah. And just so you know,
Get the
since
thing
I
broken.
got the ticket, I get all the chocolate.
You seem to have a candy production stop, right?
Yep.
A full stop.
Let's go to Station 5. I'm at Station 5. I'm at
Oh, see, I think they all get the same package, but they must.
There's Station 5.
Oh, just gonna fix it. Yeah, there we go.
Now I'm. Oh, mine's gonna be packaged. Maybe. Hang on, packaging at Station 12.
That's yours? What's yours?
No, mine is.
Oh, those two?
Mine is. No, wait, what? Where? Oh, that's right there.
Here's your question.
Over here by the package.
Do we eat them or do we not?
We eat it. 1,000 candy bars were already made.
Oh, today?
Yeah, I'll show you. Oh, Eggy, look, it prints the label. It prints the label, see? Feel the Dream. It scans it with the laser. See it? It says Feel the Dream 72W 128. Oh, that one. Because they've already made 100,000 candy bars.
Bar's about to come out. You gotta give me your ticket when it does.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, there's yours.
Aiden,
That's you.
have your ticket? Robert,
Yeah?
I'll take your ticket.
Okay. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah.
I mean, like, this one's kind of off. This one's
Yeah, a
kind
little
of
bit, but they look good. What do you think, Ada? Come here. Say goodbye, everybody.
I just want to take a bite out of mine. I want to do a taste test.
You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Wait till we get out there. Wait till we get out. Aiden, hold on. Wait till we get out there. I want to take a picture. Come here.
Picture.
Pause it.